Good morning everyone and welcome to Uni's daily update on Bitcoin and the Alts. As always, hope you're all doing very well. Sorry for my voice, I was sick and I'm still sick by the way, since Tuesday. But yeah, anyway, it should do the job normally. Today just gonna check that the sound is working well. Let me just yeah, okay, it's working well, pretty cool. Sorry. So gonna pop out this chat here. Let's go with this, otherwise we won't see anything. I mean, all the message. GUMMY. Alright, I'm gonna check out this, gonna do Bitcoin first. I'm not sure this stream will last for too long because with my voice, I mean, I can't do this for a while, I'm still a bit tired. So I'm gonna focus on Bitcoin mainly, gonna cover some few Alts, and also because next, after this, I have to record an update for the apprentice, so they get the last charting really, before the final contest. That is a $1,000 contest really, and if you want, by the way, to play this, you just have to sign up as apprentice. Go and check out the Elliott Wave course in the course section here. The Elliott Wave course, and well, just learn the 10 lessons, and from here you can also of course go into the Elliott Wave analysis, and you have this nice 3 chartings you've got here to give you some more experience really. And so this contest is a $1,000 contest divided by the 3 winners. The first place will win $500 worth in Bitcoin, second one $300 worth in Bitcoin, and the third place will win $200 worth in Bitcoin really. But anyways, so good morning to you all, mate. I hope you will... Well, thanks, mate. I hope too, because this is really annoying, to be honest with you. Thank you, mate, also. Good morning. No worries, mate, my pleasure. Yeah, gonna check FLOKI right after. So I'm gonna do Bitcoin first, gonna check FLOKI. I saw we got a rise, I saw an alert on my phone. But yeah, I didn't touch every other chart since Tuesday, so I will redo everything in front of you. So first of all, we can get rid of this. We've got 2 levels there. Just checking some few things before to go live, really, because I'm out of the bed since, well, for 2 hours now. Was excited to do the live stream today. Sick, but anyways. Alright, so let me just here go. I can't remember. Weekly, we did the weekly, yes. The daily levels. Alright, so we've got 1 there. Well, I'm gonna get rid of this, by the way, below here, to be honest with you, this daily. Yeah, I'm gonna take that one. That was here, but I mean, yeah, not useful. So daily levels we have none. No, we have no daily level. Let's go on the winner. Let's go here on the levels, and let's see what we have. Well, 78.30, but I mean, I don't really care about there, to be honest with you. 78.30. TPOs 68. Sorry. Okay, 978, right? Yeah, okay, good. Then we have oops. Okay. Well, not much levels, to be honest. Well, normally I do keep these kind of levels that already hit, because we can always do a flip to support next. Now, I'm aware of we have these levels below. It will be simply for a swing through pan radio if I look around this. So I'm gonna get rid of that, and I'm just gonna zoom out to load everything. We can remove this green square, we don't really care anymore. And so now what we can do is simply pull some few more volume. yeah, not much levels to be honest with you to add on the chart here. Okay. All right. Well, yeah, the third thing really to be aware of. I mean, I personally, to be honest, I don't really care to long up here. I mean, I'm not interested into a long. We are at some resistance, so I'm more looking for a short trade than a long trade. I'm gonna cover the order flow next, but yeah. So if we have to long, personally, I'm gonna wait minimum for this low. Otherwise, I'm just going to remain long from lower really. So that will be the first target really for a long trade. Okay, so the lows here to be taken. We've got, so we did got a swing through part of that, yeah. Now, yeah, there is still for day traders really this level here, so value high, okay, right here, can still give something if we manage to come back down here. Okay, can still give a possible scalp along here, but you're otherwise gonna wait minimum personally for the lows here, and if we start breaking the lows with no swing through panel fail as always, we can look simply for a nice decrease in price into, so well, these values are high we can look for, but I would prefer personally to go down to the 6.86%, take out some few lows here, that will be much better. So personally I'm gonna set an alert below here and here, otherwise I don't really care. Just gonna move this a little higher so it's not, yeah, perfect. Well, yeah, okay. Yeah, so this is first, this for me is second, and well, the third, well, this is a target to be aware of, but I would prefer, to be honest with you, to go for a new low. Okay, for the lows here, that'll be even better. So the last target will be really for me a new low made. Okay, I'm gonna set an alert around these lows. Yeah, there you go. So third target really, all the lows really. Okay. Yeah, so this will be the support we have at the moment. Otherwise, in terms of resistance, well, we have no real big resistance when we've got the monthly here. If we manage to break this, we're simply going to look really for a swing through the panel reflection of this top. Okay, I mean, same as before really. So swing through a panel reflection of this. If this is not happening, we can look simply for, well, a new all-time high really, because if we do a fair auction, I will end up around there. So yeah, this is the last resistance really before a new all-time high. If we don't, well, yeah, swing through a pan fair auction, new all-time high, and if we do a new all-time high, we can simply look for, you know, the targets we have planned above, so to speak. 76,600, 89,000. Then we have 100,010, yeah, something like this. This is the last target, by the way. Yeah. So, yeah. That'll be the 3 targets above. And yeah, in terms of levels, I'm gonna stop with this, to be honest with you. Gonna stay with the 3 support and the resistance there, it will be announced. Let's set, just gonna set one just above here once we took the highs, and we're done. Alright, so the waves, what we've planned really in the last update, we know to look for this possible triangle there. As I said, I want to see the 1er and everything, the 1er and above, and between the 1er and the 4er is following, because the 4er was not following anymore. The 1er we went above, you can see here the wave, this one here, so that will be, if I just come back here, bam, it will be so an A, B, so the C, D is a D wave, okay, it will be an A, B, C, D, E. The D wave went above the A, B, so B wave here. So you can see here we break this top there with this top right here. This is an invalidation, okay, for me. It was the same on the 2 hours. You can see it went way above the B wave top here and the 3 hours too. So for me, well, this was not valid anymore. But in any case, here I was in the bed. I think I was really in the bed all day on Tuesday. So I wasn't on the chart. But yeah, in any case, you've got the invalidation. So when you start getting the invalidation on the RSI, most of the time, I mean, from my experience, before it never played out for a real triangle. So once you get an invalidation on the RSI, well, you can expect in that case to look, you know, as I said, update on the Discord server, and in the last update to look for a possible fake out. So in that case, you look for a bit of a continuation over here, but I think it was not bearish. Didn't check the data, to be honest with you. Bit of a continuation. When take the highs from now, for the moment we do have a rejection here. We've got some few bearish data only on that top, to be honest with you. But again, yeah, I was in my bed, so I wasn't trading all of this. So for me, it's either missed, either well, we're going to get a retest at some point. But yeah, so this is not for me a triangle. If this is not a triangle with the Elliott waves, what it can be, well, simply the double XY. We have planned if we have to invalidate the triangle in the sorry, double XY here. The Y wave is finishing with a double XY, so normally we cannot. I mean, it's not possible to finish a Y wave with a double XY. So as I said, I'm simply going to look for this ABC flat, okay, if we have to take the highs. So for the moment, well, everything is following perfectly, to be honest with you. Just gonna get rid of some few stuff there. If you pull the flat B wave target, the B wave target here, you can see we reject for the moment perfectly the 123, 127. So as soon as this is holding, for me, this is absolutely 100% valid. And so from here we can simply look for a 5 waves down to complete the Y wave. So we can of course add the Y wave targets, but also the ABC flat. Okay, so really A wave root, A wave bottom, B wave top, like this. And so well, here we go, we have our target. That will be really the second target we have planned with the levels. Then we'll have, so it will be more here the path control, you know, the full uptrend path control. Then we'll have all the lows really. Okay, the second target really we have planned, third by the way. And then we'll have really all, I mean really every bottoms here taken with a 1618. That will be really the next target. The premise now in this C wave, we need to get a 5 waves impulsive run ending. For the moment, does it looks really like an impulsive start? We have more likely here a triple wave down, and this triple wave is not looking like an ABC zigzag. So does it look? I mean, is it looking really good for a start really of this C wave? Not really, to be honest with you. So I would really not be surprised to see one more new high. In terms of the order flow, it's I will not be surprised too. Sorry. Simply because we've got almost 15 million of new shorts coming on the very bottom there. We've got some more here, you can see 7.5 million. The premise now, so it's cool, we've got the rise, but you can see there is no real big decreasing of the open interest plus a positive delta. So it means that all these shorts didn't really got stopped out. It's not like, for example, here you've got, for example, you can see you've got some massive amount of longs and everything gets stopped out next. Here we don't have these shorts getting stopped out for the moment, so this is what I would like to see personally, to really get a reversal next. Okay, to stop these shorts first of all, that will be really cool, and to really get this C wave to the downside. Yeah, so this is the first possible configuration, maybe so a bit of a longer B wave, but I don't want to see a B going too high. It's not valid anymore otherwise. That is for me the first configuration we have right now. So I'm not going to cover the bigger time frame. It's exactly the same. We're in the same zone of price really. It can be, you know, an ending wave 2, it can be a Z wave start. I mean, it can be everything really at the moment, so we need some more data for the higher time frame. I'm gonna really focus on this section, so more likely this for the moment, maybe a new high. Okay, and if this new high start to go a bit too high, we just break, for example, the 123, 127 of the B wave. Okay, well, this is not valid anymore, of course, and so what I'm going to take is simply, so not this double XY like that, because it's not valid, as a Y wave cannot be a double XY, so it will be like this, so it's not possible. I'm simply going to look for a longer X wave and a longer Y wave here down. So let me just get rid of this ABC. And so that will be simply here a WXY to the upside, a W X and a Y wave here to the upside. So I'm gonna change the color of this. Let's go with some yellow waves. And so it will be simply a WXY to the upside. Either again to make a WXY like that, okay, WXY, either to make a ABC. This is what personally I'm going to take first of all, because I really struggle to add some impulsive wave here everywhere. Ever in this last rise here, for me this looks a lot more like a double XY extended to the upside. The smaller wave, I mean here, for example, for me, this right here is a correction. I mean, I'm just gonna remove that. If you look at this, I mean, for me what I see here is a triple wave, a triple wave truncated. The low is made here on the RSI, and then you have another triple wave here to the upside. So we have a triple wave, triple wave, triple wave. For me, this is a double XY. Can this be, for example, a wave 1, 2, 3, or 5? Well, the answer is no. Why? Because the wave 3, if that was a wave 1, 2, 3, is not breaking the wave 1 top, and this is not possible to do this. So I really struggle here to play some impulsive way to really get something massively bullish. For example, take this as, I don't know, something really like extremely bullish, like a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Maybe I'm wrong, we're going to do this, but I'm going to just accept the case that we have done this in that case. But yeah, for the moment, this for me is more a WXY XNZ. More of these, the targets match more with this WXY XNZ. So if you pull the targets on this, like that, you can see here 1618 rejection. You got the Z-wave target 1618 rejection. So yeah, for me this is looking much better. And yeah, so it's either something like that, okay, if we really break the highs and break, you know, this ABC right there, the V-wave targets, really, I'm going to switch to that one, this configuration. Okay, but I'm not looking for the moment for something ultra bullish due to the wave we have here into the smaller wave. Yeah, I'm gonna of course change the count if this happens, but yeah, for the moment I really struggle to play some really massive bullish wave there. So yeah, this will be the second configuration, really. So well, we can name that minimum time frame 2 and oh. Sorry. By the way, my computer is normally fixed, I mean the main one, so I should get it possibly next week. It depends if I feel good this weekend to go and pick it up. Otherwise it will be, well, not in 2 weeks, because I'm not here in 2 weeks on the weekend. Well, I don't know, it will be either next week, either in 3 weeks, maybe after, because next weekend I also have something. But anyways, first of all, this, okay, for me, and well, if we invalidate really the big wave, we can look simply for this, okay, so a longer X, or as always, B for a flat, ABC flat, okay. Yeah, that's it really with Bitcoin. Not more to add on this. Yeah, again, it's not impossible that we have some bullish wave. For example, this can be classed as a phi wave, but I mean, this will be really terrible. There will be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, what the fuck, phi waves really? There we go. And so, well, again, that will be wave 1, 2, either a leading here, so a wave 1, 2, well, yeah, there are some bullish count, but yeah, I'm gonna just stay with this for the moment. So yeah, that is a plan with Bitcoin personally for me. ABC flat for the moment, otherwise longer double XY or ABC flat like this, so X wave or B wave, it depends. So yeah, let's see next what we get. In any case now, don't know if that top was really bearish, didn't check it out. We have a bit of a bullish absorption now. And yeah, that will be really cool to go and rect these shorts there. Got a bit of both here to really rect all of this. Already took some few highs, but we didn't got so much positive delta here. That will be cool to get some. Yeah, so Bitcoin, we're done. Nothing more to add on this at the moment. And so yeah, it will be simply, you know, for example, if we start rejecting, that will be simply for, you know, the massive fake out here and come back down. Either do a flip to support, either really track the lows, that will be even better. That will be really the best of the best. And that will be the final target, really. So GUMMY, let's go with the alts, and I'm not gonna take too much request today. As I said, I'm not going to make this stream too long. Because I have to go next for an apprentice video because yeah, for the moment they've got the Métis, Ayer and Sol full chartings to get some experience really before the $1,000 contest. So yeah, I will have to record something for an hour I think next, so I'm still sick a bit. I can't stay for too long. But yeah, gonna still try to do my best. So Gummy first of all, then we've got FLOKI. Oh shit. Well, speedy recover, mate. 2 weeks ago? Yeah. Well, these things last for a while. This is pretty crazy. Yeah, mate. I hope you will be better soon. Thanks, mate, so much for your message as always. Legend. Yeah, I don't know if this is COVID from. Well, can be, to be honest with you. Already got. I had COVID maybe 3 times, so I know a bit, but well, it's a bit different this time. I don't know. I don't know. This is weird. I didn't have done any tests or something, so yeah, maybe it's COVID. Yeah, mate. In any case, hope you will get better soon. So I said Gummy and FLOKI. Let's go with this. So Gummy is here. I remember during I was sick in my bed, I got an alert also on this one that was raising. Go straight to the weekly level, swing through pan, retrace. Alright, so what was the plan on this? Well, oops. We did got a nice bounce from our target, right? This was a target plan in case we had to go below. We went below and we've got a nice, oh jeez, 128% increase in price. Absolutely lovely. Alright, well, now the thing is, let me see, do we have any fireways up? Well, it looks like we have, but I mean, again, it depends on the exchange. This is really annoying, this. Well, I'm gonna take this as 5 ways, but the thing is, again, this is a prime research coin that is just range bound, but you just get some pump and dump like that. Oops. What I'm going to take here is, well, simply the same count, to be honest with you. Again, I'm gonna take a wave 1, 2, just gonna move this. Oops. No, let's go with 400, 450. There you go. Let's move this on the right. Nice. No, a bit more. There you go. So, well, what was the... Okay, well, perfect. I'm just gonna place this a bit better. So that will still be the bearish count. Okay, so it's either done. That's the thing now, because it's not because that we have 5 ways here that now it's 100% bullish. Okay, for example here, if we have done this like that, yes, now we have some 5 ways up. So again, it can be simple, you know, if we have a wave 1, 2, 3, or 5, as a way it can be either for a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so indeed bullish, or a wave A, B, C zigzag. So this, for example, can bring us with another rise, but for a longer, for example, W, X, and Y, and never be bullish, for example. Now, the bullish wave count will be in any case. For me, a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're going to plan only this bullish count, really. If we have to be bullish, do not make it too complex. So impulsive, really. Well, you can simply buy the retrace, but again, not interested into that coin. So you do, you know, as always. That will be so the bullish wave count here, bullish, and the bearish wave count will be simply here a longer X wave done. And now you look again for the Z wave, and the Z wave normally, yeah, these are the targets. I'm gonna move this again a bit more on the right. Let's go with 650. And let's again move this. There you go. So that will be here for what exactly these 5 waves? Simply an ABC flat. So A wave, B, and then a C here. I don't know if the targets are really well respected on this, but let me see. Okay, I guess it depends on the exchange again. Well, yeah, it can definitely be this. Yeah. Yeah, that'll be the wave count, really, the bearish one. that is a bearish, and so the bullish is WXY and Z is done, and so now you look for well, an ABC as always. Can be I'm gonna still place an ABC or a 1, 2, 3, or 5 really. Oops, red, bullish. And yeah, for the Z, the targets are the same as the targets you can see here. Oh, by the way, no, I'm stupid, because now the Z... X, Y, X, and Z... Yeah, that'll be a lot below, so you're gonna stay with this for the moment. What it won't be now is 70x6, sorry. Alright, just a second, I have to blow my nose. Be right back. Alright, sorry. So yeah, I think we're done really for GUMMY. I mean, thing is, in any case, you know, it's like these low, I mean, these, what if you can say, low cap coins and stuff like that. I mean, this kind of chart here, really, it's there is always a bullish or a bearish plan most of the time. It's always possible to be bullish or bearish. So the best to replan some targets and DCA in there. Again, it's you need to trust into to trust the project really. If you want to DCA in such asset, you just buy the target step by step. We start rising from here, well, we maybe sell, you do whatever you want. Otherwise, if we drop, keep dropping, just buy more and buy more and buy more and buy more. But again, well, it's at your own risk. I don't even know what this coin is, so yeah, you have to do this on your side really. I'm just showing you the different possibilities. But anyway, so this one we're done. So next it was FLOKI. Yeah, FLOKI that is here. So this one did took the highs. So what I'm going to do here is, we've got some 5 ways down before, so I'm just going to take this as an ABC zigzag in that case. So we've got in that case, oh, by the way, we did got, no, this is not possible. No. So this in that case was an ABC already done. As I said, if we take the highs, gonna take this like that directly. And so that was an ABC zigzag done already to the downside. Let's take this as pink. There we go. And so from here we're well, for me the ending is done. Okay, this is clearly done before. Let me see here very quickly if I just hide everything. 1, 2, A, B. I'm gonna go on another chart here where there is nothing. See if there is another possible count here. Oops. So like that, wave 1, wave 2. Yeah. 3, 4, 5. Alright. 1, 2. Um, 3. Thinking about maybe a wave like this, 4 and 5 isn't even. Nah. Personally, this is done before. I'm not going to change the count. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is simply look for a, well, an ABC flat really. This can be removed. An ABC flat or a WXY really, because the thing is, for an ABC flat, depending on the time frame, we went really high here, it's just a wick above, so it's okay, to be honest with you. Okay, and most of the time frames it's just a wick above. It's still valid. Sorry. But yeah, it also reached here's the X wave. Okay, you can see the X wave fib. So well, I'm gonna take this either as an ABC flat personally, so A, B, C. Either a WXY, really, it's not a real big difference in any case. A WXY red. And yeah, for now this is what I'm going to take. So if we have to retrace from here, well, we just need to pull the extension tool from the top to the bottom, to the top there, correction. We can simply look for all these targets, really. And again, after this, well, normally for in that wave 4, we shall go below here, okay, to the 38.261, yeah, between the 38.256, 66%, sorry. So, well, we can make something longer and bigger, like a bigger WXY. Yeah, so for example, if that's a WXY before WXY, X and Z, but yeah, it'll be better to look for a WXY like that, for example, and then bam, come back up again, finish that wave 4. So yeah, yeah, looking for this personally more likely, to be honest with you. Yeah, this is what makes more sense with the previous wave count at the moment. We'll find out if this is not, if we just keep pushing higher and higher. I mean, for this to be valid, I really don't want to see FLOKI going above this fib there. I mean, if that's a week only, it's fine. But if we start doing some kind of close above this, no, this is definitely not a longer correction here. This is something into that wave 5 before. And so the count, this previous count here is wrong. That'll be really weird, but well, we'll see. Yeah, that will be the count for FLOKI for me at the moment. I will take S first. I mean, I'm not going to show this. Okay, I'm showing this bearish pan, but I'm not going to show this. I have no trade, by the way, at the moment on that one. Core, by the way, did got a nice rise from the Bison. You've got a nice 17% increase in price from the retest here, so 11%. Pretty cool. Yeah. Don't know if you have some more. 33 minutes. Oh, FLOKI. Yep. This one have more data? Oh, yes. Oh, yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Oh, geez, yeah. Very good point, mate. Well, yeah, it's changing everything. Well, I mean, this is definitely this for the moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, definitely. But the thing is, yeah, it's the rise here is not 5 waves, right? That's the problem. So it's looking a bit less bullish than. Yeah, this is an ABC here. A, B, and this is a C. Oops. So indeed, it's a little bit less bullish. And there is, well, a wave 1, 2 there, I think, and then you have the 3, 4, 5. New low is here, high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, nice. The smaller wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah. So this is just a double XY up. Good point, mate. I don't know why I didn't notice that one when I did that. But anyways, now it is here. I'm gonna add this as big waves. So it changed everything. So that the Y wave have a massive and crazy extension, but well, you know, sometimes on the higher time frame, it is what it is. The premise now, well, the Y wave cannot finish with a phi wave like that. So it's either an ABC zigzag done, and we go in something extremely complex now. So to speak, an ABC zigzag down like this, A, B, C. Sorry, and now, for example, we start getting some A, B, C flat to make, for example, to do, for example, next a bigger W, X, Y. Oops, maybe a little bit bigger here. To get, for example, a W, X, Y, X, and Z. I mean, I'm bringing this with the tons of configuration here, to be honest. But if we stay with the most common stuff, really, well, let's make it easy and look for this. So it will be really a Y wave, and so we'll be here for an A, B, C zigzag. So indeed, be a bit careful on, you know, the wave 4 we are applying in that case, on that wave 4 here. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. We'll have to trade this with Bitcoin. We have the levels already planned below here. Gonna add its pink. There you go. Purple. Well, yeah, it changed everything. Yeah. So that will be the wave count on this. For the moment. Yeah, the thing is now the B wave, how big it's going to be. Hey, that we cannot really predict it. We need to get the smaller wave in there to break that. For example, we need to get the first move down, move up to pull the extension tool from here to here to here to up to find the third wave target. Well, now we do have the levels already, they're already planned, but yeah, for now this is yeah, this is what we can look for on the higher time frame. Good point, mate. Didn't notice we've got that one with all the data. Yeah. Yeah, for now I'm gonna stay with the ending, to be honest. This is what it looks like more and more, and so yeah, for me this is just for a bigger correction like that. This is for the moment. This is what make more sense with the price waves. So yeah, the higher time frame, I'm gonna get rid of this because this is not valid anymore. Okay, we can. Yeah, no, we cannot look for that wave 4. Yep, so yeah, this is a high time frame wave count, so let's get rid of this. And let's remove this too, and W, X, Y, So we know here on the higher time frame it's this, and I don't forget about it. So yeah, that is, well, you have the small wave there more likely, and well, yeah, the higher time frame indeed it's a lot different, as we've got some data coming from before, I mean starting before. Yep, double XY here. Well, it's not changing a lot really on the lower time frame, as I said. I'm keeping the same count. I was hoping we reach 0.4. Well, again, this for me is what makes more sense with the context, really, with the wave from before. Now, if this count before is wrong, this can still rise, of course. But yeah, for me, I struggle placing something gonna massively rise. This or for example, if you really have to explode from here, in that case, we'll reach easily this 0.404 really. 30404 here, 304. It will be in that case this as a leading with a smaller wave of an ending. That will be a wave 1, 2. And maybe in that case a wave 1, 2 like this, and then a bam 305 for example. So it's not impossible to make something bigger in the wave 5. Okay, we can absolutely make something bigger here into the wave 5, and for example get this as a wave 1, 2 directly here, very small and short, and then bam 3, 4, 5, and pump it up really. This is what, for example, we can take if we massively rise from here. But due to Bitcoin, I struggle placing some massive bullish wave on that at the moment. Yeah, I'm more looking for this. So it's possible to reach higher, 0004, but yeah, for the moment, I'm more with this personally. Now maybe wait, for some more confirmation that we really get acceptance below, that Bitcoin is really confirming some few waves. It's not useful to sell everything, for example, if you hold a bag of this, wait for some confirmation on this. My pleasure, mates. Thanks for being here as always. So yeah, I think we're done for today. Just maybe really quickly, Ethereum, because I checked that before to go live very quickly. We've got a nice rejection from the resistance here we have planned. You can see here, just gonna move this a bit more on the right. Went exactly into a red square. We can see the level here, but it was really well respected. So we ended the Monday here, got another touch here, so it was on Wednesday. And then we've got a nice break up here, so really good level. And yeah, we went into a resistance. From here we've got a really nice and lovely, well, not a crazy stuff, but still 3%. So it's still pretty cool for day traders. So we've got this very nice drop here. And now the best, because the RSI is not making a new low yet. Well, it depends on the time frame, but the best will be still to make so this X and this Y wave, to make a longer wave 4 that will follow the Bitcoin plan really for another drop. WXY. Well, maybe WXY in this in case. WXY, X and Z. Prime with this can be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How I play that now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, that will be a leading with a smaller way of an ending. So again, really raw. So do we bet on this? Personally, no. Not impossible. No, it is possible, of course. But yeah, this in that case more likely. And otherwise, yeah, a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So bigger wave A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we finish this wave 5 already. Okay, this in case we're bullish. So yeah, don't know if you have some more requests, otherwise we're done really. 45 minutes. Gonna record an update for the apprentice next. No worries, I'm feeling okay today, to be honest, so it's fine. I'm not too so sick today. I've got a nice rest. Sorry for 3 days, so I'm okay today. To tell you, I was out of my bed at I think it was 7 a.m. A little later, 7:15:30, and normally I never wake up that early. So tell you, I really slept a lot. So it's pretty cool. So it's fine today. Just stuffy nose and well, a bit of a headache also, but anyways, it's fine. Range point. Range power control from vision. Oh, 5 of June. Okay. That was a retest. Hurry, so we went above. Swing through pan here. Well, we did go to trade at the end with this one. And few scouts maybe in there. I don't know. I didn't check the order flow to be honest with you. Just gonna remove this. And so you say it from the 5th. Wait. I don't know if it's from the top or from the very beginning of the. There we go. Yeah, it depends, I think, of the exchange you're checking and how you pull it. Don't know how you pull it this exactly. That be the pull person will use the last move down really. You can see here you've got this value low, rejection, then you have the path control, rejection, rejection. Next if we manage to break through this, it will be simply your the tops, but the best will be to go take this high here, and if there is nothing more likely on your high, to be honest. Well, again, there you don't have all the levels here, but you have no daily. Yeah, well, that bit definitely is still the level to be aware of. Notice a little bit lower. There you go. Like that. And next we'll have the, well, up to the swing for the pound, to be honest. That'd be the target really above us. Sorry. Right here, if we really have to get a retest, and again, if there is nothing of this, well, a new high really. So yeah, that's it really for me for today. So yeah, I'm gonna go and record now an apprentice update, so they can get another charting really. So yeah, they've got 3 chartings. It was supposed to be a guess a pan, but I mean, if I do a guess a pan now, and the contest is starting on Monday, I mean Saturday night, well, you have just the weekend to do this. It's, in my opinion, it's better a full charting, to be honest. So I'm gonna do a charting, and so you can get 4. And so, well, in any case, it's starting on Sunday the contest, but you have time until next Sunday. Next Sunday really to complete the contest. So you have still the full next week to learn if you want to learn still more. But yeah, in any case, I wish you all a nice weekend ahead. Thank you as always for joining. Sorry for the lack of update this week, but yeah, sadly I was a bit sick. Did my best to do the update today. Feeling a lot better already, so it's pretty cool. And yeah, I catch you also on Monday for the next update. Maybe with a new computer, maybe not. It depends if I manage to get some time this weekend to go and grab the computer. Because the 2 next weekend, it might be busy, and so I'm not sure I'll be able to pick this up. So yeah, we'll see. So yeah, have a nice weekend ahead. Thank you as always for your message. Thanks for being here. And yeah, catch you all on Monday next week for the next one. Cheers.